should Web3 blockchain companies be leading the way and promoting security in their brands? Just because, even though it may not be a shared thing, it is what we're in the spotlight for, unfortunately.
If you ask me what the blockchain industry needs to do in 2023, they need a serious PR campaign to rehabilitate the image of the entire industry. What has gone on in 2022, which I've called the year of the bankruptcy in the industry, especially with FTX, Celsius, and the exchanges, because people confuse crypto with blockchain. And as you know, the financial exchanges are just an on ramp or an off ramp and a use case for blockchain, not the only use case. But the average person considers the two the same. And so if you want people to start going down the Web3 pathway towards mass adoption, you have to create a narrative and say, hey, yeah, what happened with the exchanges was bad and it happened, but that's not the entire industry and that's not the opportunity. And I think that's going to take time, and it's going to be tough to do this year, because if SBF goes to trial and what will come out with that and some of the other stuff that's coming out, and the SEC is going after exchanges left and right, it creates a situation where the whole industry is cast with this dark pall over it. And until you start to rehabilitate that and get the focus on something else, I think it's going to be tough.